Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm sure most of you know how to use Vlookup formula, and when using Vlookup formula you might have observed certain limitations of Vlookup formula as well. By keeping those limitations in mind, have you ever tried to search an alternative formula that can give the results that you want in the similar way the Vlookup gives? So in today's video we are going to learn a formula that has been introduced in Office 365 which can be considered as an absolute replacement for your VLOOKUP formula. So what is that formula then? The name of the formula is Xlookup. VLOOKUP can only look ahead. It cannot look back. So that major limitation is overcome when you use Xlookup. Now we have a sample data set and we want to get all the information that is available for a person, right? For example, if I write Praveen here, then I should get the state, name, age, mobile number and education details for Praveen. So let us try VLOOKUP first and see if we can get the result that we wanted. Is equal to VLOOKUP open bracket, my lookup value, comma, my lookup array will be this, comma. Since I want all the information for Praveen, instead of one column index number, I'm going to write all the column index numbers. But when I do that, one thing I should keep in mind is I should put everything in curly brackets. Open curly bracket, 1, 2, 3, 4. Close curly bracket, comma, exact match, that is 0. Close bracket, enter. I have put formula in the wrong cell, so I'm just going to cut that and put it in a right place. So you can see by using VLOOKUP, we did not get the state information. So let us try Xlookup function now. The way Xlookup functions is pretty similar to the way VLOOKUP functions. Is equal to Xlookup, open bracket, the lookup value, comma, lookup array is my column B, comma, in my return array, I'm just taking the entire data set because I want everything to be displayed there. Close bracket. Here you go. You have all the information which are available for Praveen in sample dataset. So the conclusion is Xlookup can completely replace your VLOOKUP. Indeed, it is far better than your VLOOKUP. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you had liked the content of the video, please like and share the video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel still, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Until my next video, happy learning!